Hello, we are coming to from Saudi Arabia. We are Eastern Coast Group, ECG Group, and we are before 4 years. We are buy this blue elephant machine, rotor machine. Wood and aluminum, everything is cut it is very good preference, and we are very happy. And we are searching another machine. I come here see this fiber tech machine, fiber laser machine is also I-beam, steel, stainless, everything cutting. I see this very happy. We are try to buy. Maybe is communication my boss Mr. Faisal and Mr. Awasala, Mr. Jerry also is price is good. Price is okay, understand with us. Inshallah, we are buy from here. I very happy from this company. Thank you so much. Good.